Hi everyone, welcome to Mon-ara's channel. Now for today's video, I will show you how to make a super hydrating hyaluronic acid serum. Let's get to it. You're going to need distilled water, aloe vera gel, honey, hyaluronic acid powder, and sandalwood hydrosol. Now if you do not have sandalwood hydrosol, just substitute it with extra water. Get a clean container and place on your digital scale. If you look at my scale, I set it to 0 and we are just going to measure all our liquids in the container. Start by weighing in your distilled water, followed by your hydrosol, then your aloe vera gel, and then your honey. Make sure everything is about 99%. For this recipe, I am making 100 gram, which is equals to 100%, and it's also very easy to calculate. All you need to do is look at my scale and you will see what I mean. Now, hyaluronic acid is only supposed to be about 1% used, so every other thing would form 99% and your hyaluronic acid powder is your 1%. Here I am just putting in my honey, which is 2% of my recipe, and that gets us to 99% perfect. Here I am just going to measure the remaining 1% of my recipe into my water, and that is my hyaluronic acid powder. So you want to measure that until the recipe is about 100%, equals to 100 gram. All right, so we're at 100, perfect. Now from here, all you want to do is stir this mix together just slightly. You don't need to stir for too long, and then you're going to let it sit for a couple of hours. That might take from 3 to about 8 hours, but maximum 3 hours. So you want to leave this on your countertop. Make sure to cover it with a cling film or something. Make sure no dirt goes into it. Now this is what it looks like after 1 hour, and as you can see, it is gradually diluting with the water, but you can still see some globules of hyaluronic acid powder in there, which is actually going to dissolve in the next couple of hours. I would like to show you a closer look at what it looks like. As you can see, it's going to work. You want to leave that for a couple more minutes or a couple more hours, and there you have it. Now I left the serum on my countertop all night, and in the morning I used a preservative, but because my preservative is oil based, it's oil soluble, it actually made my serum cloudy. Now in my container over here, I have my previously made serum, which is very transparent in color and a thinner consistency compared to my new serum. Now if you want to make your serum just out of water, that is totally possible. That is exactly how I got the very clear thinner consistency to the left. So all you want to do is make sure you measure your water 99% and then 1% of your hyaluronic acid powder. Now this is super hydrating, super nice, and makes your skin just super plump and super soft. You want to apply this over clean skin and make sure to apply on damp skin. I would leave all the ingredients in the description box below and a detailed guide to the recipe. Thank you for watching.